First of all, happy new year to everyone, to your loved ones and to your family. So let's continue with a new year and the same thing which we are doing since the last 4 months, that is LeetCode daily question. So welcome back once again, and we will be solving LeetCode daily question 455, that is assign cookies, and it's the start of the year, so it's an easy question. And in this we are given that assume you're an awesome parent and want to give your children some cookies, but you should give each child at most one cookie. So let's consider that we are the parent and we are giving our children a New Year's gift, and each child is having a greed factor, that is GI, which is the minimum size of a cookie that the child will be content with. That means that the child will be happy with, and each cookie J has a size of SJ. And if SJ is greater than or equal to GI, we can assign that cookie J to the child I, and if the child I will be content. Okay, means that the child I will be happy, and our goal is to maximize the number of content children and output the maximum number. Okay, so it's like in this case we are having GI is the greed factor of each children, and SI is the, let's consider the size of cookie. Okay, so we can only give one cookie to the first children as its greed factor is only so one and the size of cookie is also one. Okay, but in the second case we are having the greed factor of the children are 1 and 2 respectively, and the sizes of cookie are 1, 2 and 3. So what we can do, we can assign the sizes of cookie of sizes 1 and 2 to both of the children, so the answer is 2. Okay, so let's consider the edge case, that is we are not having the sorted both the arrays. So let's sort both of the arrays, that is array dot sort G and arrays dot sort S. The naming conventions are so poor. LeetCode needs to work on this. Okay, so now let's have a count variable where we'll be counting the number of children that are content and the cookie index. Let's call it cookie only, and we'll be traversing in both the arrays by using a simple two-pointer approach. And let's use a file loop that while cookie is less than s dot length and count is less than g dot length. Okay, so what we'll be checking, that if key if size of s cookie is greater than or equal to the g of count, means the children, so we'll be increasing our count. Or otherwise, if that's not the case, that is like we are having a case somewhere like 2 3 4 and the size of the cookies are 1 2 3 4, so we can't assign the if the children is having grade factor 2, so we can't assign him the cookie of size 1. Okay, let me explain what I'm saying is okay, let me just zoom in also. And yeah, let's say we are having g equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4, and we are having s equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So the output for this should be 3, because what we will be doing, we'll be checking this, and if the size of the cookie is not equal is not greater than or equal to the greed factor, so we'll be moving to the next factor to the next pointer in the size. If these are equal or greater, if this is greater than or equal to the greed factor, then we'll be assigning the cookie to this particular children. Okay, so this is how the code will work. And now let's if this is not the case, we'll be just doing cookie plus plus, and at the end let's just return the total count of the children count. So now let's run it. Okay, compilation error g. Oh, okay, no parenthesis. Yeah, now let's run it again. And it gets accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so yeah, so this was for today, and there will be many new things which will be coming on this channel in this year. I'm having a lot of things planned, and a lot of things are under the work, or the work is going. Okay, so we'll see more, you will see more of content on this channel. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching, and wishing you a very happy new year.